FR Legend Unlimited Money, new glitch, iOS and Android. Today I'm going to show you how to get FR Legend plus modded version on your devices with unlimited resources, and it's totally premium without any paying a penny. You don't need even any mobile Android router or jailbroken devices. You don't need any PC for it even. You just need to follow me to get this app on your devices. In this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step how to download this on your devices, and after downloading you will enjoy your app as you want. One more thing guys, you don't need any PC. And one more thing guys, I'm going to pasting the link in the tutorial. Go and click the link and come to the next tutorial screen and watch the tutorial where I'm going to show you step by step how to download this and enjoy your app as you want. So we'll move to the next tutorial screen and watch the tutorial.